Hi, in today's video we are going to be looking at a site called Cashout Fridays. We're going to be finding out whether you can actually make $500 today just by taking surveys, completing tasks, playing games and more. And we're going to run through how easy it is to actually join the Cashout Fridays. And also stay tuned right to the very end because we're going to uncover some truths that you're going to want to know before you actually go and join Cashout Fridays. So without further ado, let's jump across to the website and we'll go through Cashout Fridays. We'll do a full Cashout Fridays review and we'll find out whether it is going to be worth your time and whether you can actually make $500 today with Cashout Fridays. Okay, so we come on to the Cashout Fridays website, and as you can see here, they are stating make $500 today, get cash for completing tasks, playing games, and taking surveys. And it says here, earn $5 for every referral and 50 cents for every click, and cash out instantly through Cash App, PayPal, and more. So make sure you just bear a note of that, that you says that you can obviously cash out instantly through these different ways. Also, it says that you can actually go and redeem a $25 bonus when you actually go and join. So it's very easy to go and join, but let's go and have a look at a couple of other things before we actually take you inside Cash Out Fridays. And like I say, stay tuned right to the very end. There's going to be some bits and pieces in here that you're going to want to know before you actually go and join Cash Out Fridays. So this is what you end up having to do. You sign up and you create an account. Easy to do. I've already done it, so I can take you inside very shortly. You will earn a $25 bonus just for signing up. And then it says, obviously, you're going to be able to share your link with friends and family, colleagues, and earn $5 when they sign up, and then cash out instantly with these actual earnings. So it also says here you can get it on Google Play and the App Store. So if we click on Google Play, it doesn't take us anywhere, guys. So that is probably one of the first red flags that obviously this site has got. Let's dive into the back of Cash Out Fridays and find out exactly what it's all about. And like I say, stay tuned. We've got some info I want to go through as well once we hit the inside. So this is what it looks like once you've actually gone inside the actual website. As you can see, there is no app for a start. And what it says here, it says, please set up your cash out method. In order to make a cash out process quick, add your favorite cash out method. So if we click on this, this allows you to add in your favorite method. It says PayPal here. What I would do, guys, I wouldn't be doing anything like this at the moment. Just hold up until you've actually gone through the rest of this video before you go and put any of your details in here. I've even signed up with just a fake email here, test at 247@gmail.com. Purely and simply because I don't want my details inside this site, and I'll tell you why a bit further down the line, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're enjoying this video and the content of this video, make sure you obviously give us a like. That's going to help us in the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and you'll get notified every time we make more videos just like this and other ways to make money online. Now, as you can see here in the corner, we have actually been given our $25 bonus, and my account balance is 25 bucks. Now, it says here, welcome to Cash Fridays. It says the #1 cash out app in the world. I don't know about that, but there we go. It says, obviously, you can get paid every Friday. It says you can cash out every Friday, but that's not what they say on the front of the website for a start. They say instantly. So now they're saying you can only do it every Friday. Now, why it would only be every Friday, I do not know, because once you've set up your payment thing, you've got to just request a payout and it should be able to be done. So I'm not sure why it's every Friday. And here, obviously, how you can earn. You can get clicks. So you're going 50 cents for each click you actually get on your link. $5 for every referral you use. If you're testing apps, you can earn 25 to 75 bucks. Taking surveys, 25 to 75, and posting on social media, you get $5 to $25. So this is what they want you to do, guys. Really, this is what they want to do. It says here you get your referral code here. Okay, so don't worry about. I won't put this link underneath or anything like that because at the moment, what I found out, I wouldn't want you to go and join. So if you haven't already joined, like I say, just stay tuned. I want to show you some things that you're going to want to know. The road to your first cash out. And it says prevent cheating and spam. You must. That's supposed to be, I'm not sure what that says. Meet the following requirement. There should be meet the following requirements. There's a spelling mistake there. And it says you've got to get 15 clicks on your link. You've got to have 5 referrals. You've got to complete 10 tasks. And you've got to do at least 1 social media post. Now, if we click on the do tasks here, this takes you through to this screen here, and you can get easy, medium, or hard. So if we just do easy, and it says there are no more easy tasks available at the moment. Please check back later. Let's check out on the medium tasks. And here are the medium tasks. So you can take a survey for $50. So we just click on that. Click on the survey button here. There we go. And then it says start task. And straight away, it's just a few questions here, guys. It's all to do with boxer shorts, really. I mean, it's not really a survey as far as I can see. You've just got to choose which ones you want, etc. So I've no idea what this is about, and you're certainly not going to get paid 25 or 50 bucks just for going through a few actual questions here. So again, that is another red flag. And we want to go through a few other bits and pieces here as well that I want to go through that I want to tell you about before we get going. Now, first of all, I went over to a site called who.is. So I wanted to find out a little bit more about the actual domain name. And as you can see here, it was registered back in January the 20th in 2023. So it's only like 3 or 4 months, 3 months ago. It was 3 months ago. Okay. And it's also got the registrar details as being Reykjavik. Okay. So that is obviously in Finland, as far as my geography tells me. So keep that in mind. We now need to go back to the actual site. So if we click on the About page here, and we go down, we scroll down, it's obviously got a little bit about there, and it says about transparency. We compensate our users well with transparent terms and conditions that are effective immediately after the user signs up. So they really want to be transparent, which is great. Another spelling mistake there, so obviously not very good. It also says they've paid out over $9 million already. Well, that doesn't sound very good after 3 months. $9 million. And it says they've actually got 2 million users as well, which means that each user has had over $2.5 million paid to them. Come on, guys. They are fictitious. They are fictitious figures on their website. So straight away, they're not being very transparent, are they? It also says, who are we? This is our amazing team. So all you got to do is right click on this and search the image on Google. And it'll come up this up the side bit here. And as you can see, the same image you can find on Google. It's on loads of different websites here. And it's even got a LinkedIn profile here. And this apparently is a Dubravka. So it's not Alex at all. So again, serious red flag there, guys. Again, they're just taking stock images or even images that are real and they're putting them across as other people, which so I wouldn't actually it says are nearly 8,000 committed staff members. 8,000. Why would they want 8,000 staff members just to run a little website like this? I mean, come on, guys. Again, this is not good. Now, I did go and see how the terms and conditions as well. Now, everything was pretty standard. March the 1st, it was last updated. But if we scroll down, just if you want to go and check this out as well, you can quite easily check this out. We'll scroll down and we'll go right down to the bottom here. First of all, I did go on to referral earnings chart, and I tried going on there, and I tried going on to the other link, which is here, which is all the valid countries. Just doesn't come up with anything. It just says it just went to this page here, which says, "Oops, this Zen Desk Center no longer exists." Until you get to the bits with capitals, and then it has here. It tells, nor does Zoombuck.com make any warranty as to the results you may obtain. And it says the information obtained through Zoombucks or website. Now, Zoombucks is a legit website. I've been on it. I've actually withdrawn money from it, and it is nothing like the Cashout Fridays. But what they've gone and done, I came across to Zoombucks. This is their terms and conditions, exactly the same. And if you scroll down, we will come. If you go through this, word for word is identical. So all they've done, and as you can see here, they've just copy and pasted this, and they've gone in there, and where it has said Zoombucks before, they've gone and put Cashout Fridays, and they've just missed two. Okay, they've missed two of them. One there, the zoombuck.com, and there where it says Zoombucks or website. And they have maintained those in the actual thing and forgotten to actually take them out. So again, all they've done is gone and copy a legit website's terms and conditions and then just change the name, which is fine because if it's very similar, but it just goes to show you again, guys, that they're not being very transparent because the two websites are not identical. So yeah, there's no way that that the terms can be identical. It's as simple as that. Doesn't look very good. If you've actually joined Cashout Fridays and you've been sent money, have you actually received it? Have you actually requested any money? Let us know in the comments below. I very much doubt that you have received anything because these figures just don't add up. You wouldn't have get a brand new site and they've already paid out $9 million and they've only got 2 million users. Because that's like I say, that's $2.5 million per user. So the figures just don't add up, guys. And certainly when you're going to get paid $5 for every referral and 50 cents for every click, where are they going to get this money from? They're not. There's nowhere on here where they can get this money from. So it looks as if Cashout Fridays is going to be one of those sites that doesn't actually pay out. Let's just wait and see. Let us know, like I say in the comments below. But on my view is whatever you do, don't go and join Cashout Fridays, and certainly don't put any of your PayPal or that or other cash out information inside the website. Maybe if you want to test it out, like say with a fake email. I didn't have to verify my email again, so again that's another red flag. Because they're not interested in whether you verify or not, because they ain't going to pay you out. It's as simple as that. Okay, trust you found this useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.